Alright, we're going to get that lift down. I want to show you something. We got it. Doesn't like to be quiet. Have a listen to the sound it makes. These are our new Kone lifts. Better if we go to the go down to the third one. It doesn't do it when it's going down, but it does it when it's going up. That didn't sound good. Get me off this crazy train.
Third floor. Doors opening. Doors closing.
This is what I mean. It actually doesn't do it going down, but going up it does it more. Have a listen. I'm going to send this one down to 5, and I'm going to go stand outside in there. Try not to get past that. That was creepy. I've never known one to make that noise before. Strange. On second thought, here's the new car park that they've recently done this year. New LED lighting. New voice siren things over there. That's the LED lighting there. You can just make it out. Just nice. Yes, I'm just gonna go down and stay down. Thanks for watching.